Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen special from Renault Dacia Sandero 2013 to 2016 years. Okay, let me do unbox review. Open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This is harness, and this is head unit. Okay, let me introduce the harness at first. Okay, you can check this special harness for Renault. This is CAN bus decoder box. You can check CAN bus decoder for Renault Dacia. Okay, this connector connects to our head unit, back of unit. Okay, you can check. This is power and the speaker. And this connector. This is reserve camera, backup camera input. This is power AMP 12 voltage. This is K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. K1 and K2 for steering wheel control. This K1 and K2. Okay, this is special harness. And it comes with GPS antenna. This is remote controller. This is radio antenna. Okay. It's 2 USB cable and external microphone. Head unit already built-in microphone. This is connected back to head unit. Okay, this is external microphone. Camera input. This camera input RCA type. Okay, and this audio cable. This is subwoofer. And video out 1 and video out 2. This is AUX out front and rear, left and right. Okay, this connect our back of head unit. Okay, this is AUX cable, AUX input, left and right. Okay, this is video input. This is connector back of head unit. Okay. Okay, let me introduce the head unit. It's run Android Pie 9 system. It's a plug and play, no cutting wires. Okay, this drum agent. Okay, you can check this 8-inch IPS touchscreen power button. This is microphone, built-in microphone, and reset hole IR. This set single thing. Okay, you can check back. This is radio port and connectors. This Wi-Fi antenna. This fuse is power, this GPS. Okay. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. I'm back and connect. Okay. Okay, head unit will be start this Pi system. Okay, please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, system start, turn on. You can adjust the brightness. Okay, this taskbar. This is built-in Wi-Fi. Bluetooth volume control. Okay, and the brightness is amplifier. Okay, this speed clear memory processor. Okay, let me check this date. Let me check the settings. You can check this. We upgrade this icon with color. Let me check the about motion. Let me check all apps. Let me check. It's a very fast response. Okay, back to home. Check the setting. But machine, you can check this MCU version. RAM 4GB. This is Octa core PX5. PX5 rock chip. Android 9. Okay. Back. Okay, this is IP address and the Wi-Fi. It's Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi, and you can connect Wi-Fi. It's a hotspot from your phone. Okay, it's car settings. Personal setting, you can check this, set the auto play music here, and power ACC off with 13 seconds, and you can stand by 1 hour or other 5 minutes. This button control, you can change the gray. It's gray, blue, orange, and any color you can adjust these settings. Okay, it's built in the mirror link. This mirror link. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, support iPhone Wi-Fi. All applications are here. This Maps, Google Maps. You can download the application from Google Play Store. It's radio. And this support video out. Okay. It supports steering wheel control. Okay, that's all. I will do next video later. Okay, thank you.